Hi. So, what are the different types of sexual orientations that you're aware of?
I have no idea, sorry.
Do you know the full form of LGBTQIA?
I think
What
it
do
is,
you know?
I guess it is lesbian, gay, bisexual, 30, I don't know.
IQQIA?
No idea, sorry.
Okay. So LGBT basically stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual, trans people. Now there's an extension to it as well. Do you know about that? So there's an extension QIA plus. Any idea what that might be?
No.
LGBTQI, there's the whole alphabet soup, right? LGBTQIA. So what do you think A stands for?
Asexuals.
Perfect. Is it possible to not have any kind of sexual attraction to anybody whatsoever, do you think?
Yeah, some people might experience that. Some people might experience no sexual attraction to other humans or anyone else.
What do you think asexuals are all
There
about?
are people who choose not to have sex, basically,
Who choose not to have sex or...
or don't want to have sex, something like that.
So basically they are people who don't experience sexual attraction to others. What according to you is asexuality?
According to me, asexuality is your sexual orientation where you are not attracted towards any other person or to any other thing.
And is that because of a psychological problem? Is that a problem?
No, there's no problem. Like any other sexual orientation is just something you're born with, and it may take you a while to figure it out, but it's natural.
You think it's a psychological problem? Does it need to be corrected?
It is not a problem.
Exactly.
It is a person's life and their whatever
It
perspective.
might be psychological, but it's completely acceptable. It's their choice.
Yeah, it is normal. It is a biological process. Some people might not feel it. So it is perfectly normal. Even being a biologist, I feel that even in some other natural animals, there is present, sexuality is present. So, yeah, it is normal.
Do you think that's a problem?
Yeah, I feel, yeah.
It isn't a problem.
Why do you think it's a problem?
Come on, if I'm not attracted to someone else, I don't want to have sex, that's a fucking problem.
But why is that a problem?
Sex is good. That's why.
Sex is supposed to be used only for making babies.
According to my theory, it might be because of the biological functioning of their internal systems. Maybe because some wiring in their brain, but then that is perfectly normal for them and for the others also.
And you think romantic attraction can be separated from sexual attraction?
Yes.
Romance is more emotional.
Yeah, it could be interpreted
Yeah.
according to the person, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Have you know of people who identify as asexual? Have you heard people discussing it?
No.
And you think there should be more discussions around
Yeah,
it?
obviously.
Why not? We actually live in a country where there are no discussions, free discussions about it, about
You
sex.
can never discuss sex in public, like never. Because
And
people
forget
are
lack of it.
Exactly.
Yeah, I heard abroad they have sexual orientation lectures in the schools and all. We need that.
Also, when you talk about sexual orientation, you can compartmentalize the two things as well. You can be romantically or emotionally attracted to someone, or you can be sexually attracted to someone. And all of these factors, I think together they form your sexual orientation.
Have you in your experience come across people who identify as asexual?
I haven't, but I know friends who have friends who identify themselves as asexual. I also learned about this sexual orientation during my work. And yeah, so I personally don't know people who are asexual, but I obviously have friends of friends.
So how were you first introduced to asexuality?
I was first introduced to asexuality during my work at Sneha because we had to do sessions with kids. We obviously had to be informed ourselves. That is where I got to know about different sexual identities, different sexual orientations, and that's where I learned about asexuality along with other sexual identities like homosexuality and pansexuality as well.